Good morning, team Celeste. Getting ready for work with what I have in my closet. So this is the outfit. This is actually a two-piece set. I'm going to wear the two-piece. I am not motivated. It's at the time of the month, so I am extremely proud to even stand here. I tried the Beauty by Johnson sun cream. This one. I also have this one, but I didn't open it. The blue. I didn't open it. I thought, let me try this one. So I'm trying that one. Feels good. At least my face is not shining, extremely shiny like the other one. Even though, yeah, I applied the other one on my skin. I need to apply it on my skin. Because if I'm using the Naturium Glycolic Body Wash, you need to apply SPF on your skin when you are using these products. Even though I'm gonna be indoors, I'm not gonna be direct underneath the sun, but I still need to apply um, those on my skin. So to protect my skin, I need to apply it. Ooh, I am so tired, demotivated, don't have any motivation. Someone said that it's not good to apply perfume on your neck. I'm just gonna do like this. Sometimes I come across the crazy stuff on social media. They say it's not good to apply perfume on your neck because it's hormone something. I don't know. It got me worried last night, so I thought, okay, I normally like to apply perfume on my neck. So today I was like, okay, let me not apply on my neck. Prevention is better than cure. In my hand cream, I'm so in a hurry. And hurry quote is hurry quote, and I need to take my medication. I just want to go to bed. That's all I want to do. Go to bed and sleep because I actually have no energy. Oh, the struggle of a woman, the time of the month. Don't not motivated. This is the two-piece set, but I'm not gonna wear this. I'm just gonna have it in my bag for in case. Maybe when I'm coming back, it's a bit windy. Then I can put it on. But I'm just going to bite on this. I didn't even bother to iron it because I know it's rumple. And one thing I love about this dress, it has a pocket. That's one thing I love about it. The pocket. That's one of the major reasons why I love it. So yeah, simple as this is the outfit look of the day. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. I know I'm not sounding so motivated because yeah, it is what it is. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Thanks for your liefde and understanding. Ik waardeer het echt. En daar hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. Team for us. Peace out. Bye.